unfortunately, over the years, federal courts have basically said illegal immigration is something for the federal government. They have the jurisdiction. So when states want to go in and protect themselves, they have not looked kindly on some of those things. And I'm not sure that's the right decision, but clearly, if it's the federal government's responsibility, but then the federal government defaults on that responsibility, then the states still have their hands tied. I don't think both can be true. If it's a federal responsibility, then they have a responsibility to discharge the duties and enforce the law. If they're not doing that, then clearly, I think a state should be able to come in and provide protections. And so that's what we're going to be looking to do.
Governor, two-part question real quick. When it comes to these undocumented immigrants, you're saying that they're coming in at 2 and 3 in the morning, late at night. Are we talking about by the dozen, by the hundreds, and are these asylum seekers? Where are they, sir?
Well, I think in the flight that is in question for the individual that posed as a minor, came in, was really in the 20s. I think that flight was one with people that were at least posing as being under 18. So what you do is you have people that are coming to the border, a lot of kind of like 16, 17-year-old males coming. They're treated differently than somebody that was over the age of 18. And so that particular flight was supposed to be, I think, what they call, UACs. And they were on a bus, and I think many of them taken to the Homestead facility down in Southwest Florida. And I know that that's been the case with other ones. Now we're also looking at buses from South Texas, where are those buses taking folks, and buses that are coming in to the state of Florida and certainly in other parts. It's interesting. If you're trying to deter kind of illegal migration in the interior of the country, if you come illegally and they don't catch you, it's actually in some respects worse than if they catch you, because when they catch you, they'll give you money or potentially put you on a conveyance to get you somewhere, whereas if they don't catch you, you're kind of on your own and you don't necessarily get any money from the government and everything. Really, really perverse incentives.